If you're replacing the flap in a toilet, you can get adjustable flaps that can stay open longer for a better flush, or they can close faster to conserve water. Corky has a style with a float, and this is really good for toilets that are 1.6 gallons per flush, 3.5 gallons per flush, or larger. And that float, if you move it up higher on the chain, it's going to close faster. If you push this float down towards the flap, it's going to stay open longer for a better flush. If you have a high efficiency toilet, 1.28 gallons per flush or 1.6 gallons per flush, Fluidmaster has an adjustable flap, and this rotates, and this will allow it to stay open longer or close faster. When you attach it, you're going to connect it to the two posts on your flush valve, and you want the chain straight above the flap. It's going to open wider. You don't want it at an angle. You only want about a 1/4 inch worth of slack, no more than a 1/2 inch worth of slack.